Good afternoon, guys. Today is June the 1st, 2018. Give you a quick overview of the property. Show you what we got going on right now. Got the chicken tractors and quail cages out there on this next garden bed. I'm gonna get it prepared for planting. Our garden bed out there, and I'll give you a close-up garden walkthrough in a little while and let you see how that's going. But it looks nice. You can't really see how well it's doing from here, but it looks really nice. Got most of this trash here cleaned up. That old shed tore out. We still have some trash there to get rid of. And a lot of this is just from our old wash station on the other farm, and we'll get this in order soon enough. But again, the garden's looking good. Chicken tractors in place. Brooders doing good. Got most of that trash pile back there completely gone, some scrap metal there. But then as soon as I clear that out, we'll extend this garden down and into that valley up to the fence. If you look over here, you can see that the goats have went to work on those saplings, the sweet gums and the gallberry. I'd say there might be 20% of them left, if that. Then some of them I might actually leave, but most of them are going to get taken down. That section back there has been almost eaten to the ground, and that little square section there that you can see in the back right there will be tilled up and turned for planting pretty soon as well, hopefully by next fall. The goats have just went to work on this, ate it down, made it almost bare. You can see through there, did a real good job eating it. Now those pretty purple flowers that you see there on the pond, yeah, those are hyanthus, water hyanthus. That's a water plant. And they are edible. They have some additional value. They have actually many uses, including biofuel. Read about them, they're pretty awesome. But the dam is, I have the dam filled up, and the pond is starting to collect water. Those pond plants are doing well in there too. I've distributed quite a few of those to some friends that wanted them, or different people that like them. Well, there you go, guys. Oh, Gabby, look at her down there. She's waiting to get fed. Christian's on his way. Beautiful stuff, man. It's coming along real nice. These guys, these goats, once they get done eating all this up, I'll put them in that back section back there. That'll be the next section that we fence off. And they'll have that upper pond right there to get water from. There's Gabby, and there's all the goats. They're about fat and happy. It's looking good. Christian, say bye. Bye.